Let's continue the tutorial. A equal to apple is, so it is a string. And then in the variable explorer, a equal to apple is, this statement is okay. And then if we add a plus equal to a smart fruit and then execute it, then it will add this line into this by cascading it like this. A equal to apple is a smart fruit. Like if we print that apple is a smart fruit, so maybe it is not, but the cascading of strings works in Python. Let's now do the slicing and splitting. Splitting is breaking the string in some parts, and slicing is almost the same thing. Just move on to examples like print A0. Like A was this, apple is a smart fruit, and A of 0 is the first because the index starts from 0. So A0 will be A, A1 will be P, and this line will give us all the values starting from 0 and completing till the end of the, like we haven't mentioned anything like 0 colon to where, so this is not mentioned, so it will list all the values from 0 to end. And now in this example we are starting from 1 and ending at 6. Let's run this. It is showing PPLE because first one was P and the sixth one was something like this, something here. So it just showed the numbers 1 to 6, index 6. Okay, so if we want to print the length of the string, we can just use length of A. This length function is very useful and it can be used for multiple tasks. It can be used for calculating the size of multiple things like arrays or list or tuple, dictionary and everything. So this function will be used very much. So print length of A, this is 22. Okay, so the array has 3 arguments. Let's try that in comment. The 3 comments on both sides will enable us to write unlimited string, like unlimited length strings with all the /n and /t functions included. So you can say it is a comment type of comment also. So a bracket start, and then here comes the end point, and the third argument is the interval. So in this case it is starting from 0 and ending at length of A, that is 22, and with the interval of 2. So it will skip every middle element between that. So let's execute that. So this gave us something APERMRRI. So that is due to the interval function. Now let's increase the interval to 3. Starting from 0, ending at length of A, that is 22, and with the interval 3. So this gives something like ALAIMTRT. Okay, so that's it. Practice that and have fun with these arguments. Change the values and get some new results with a new string, and we will be covering more topics in the next slides. Thank you.